think about what is the base of a meteorite is this metallic metal substance that came God knows where. ETs, light language, communicating with, extraterrestrials and stuff like that. It's that connection to other planes, other regions in the universe and the cosmos.
Tell us everything about what is this crystal?
So, not necessarily a crystal per se, as a crystal comes from Earth, right? But this is actually, so the meteorite, when it hits, what's left of it, which most of the time, it's not that much left with a meteorite. It starts out, a lot of it burns away. But think about what is the base of a meteorite is this metallic metal substance that came God knows where, from, so far away, and whatever happened from a collision of planets or a collision of something, but a collision of some sort happened somewhere in the cosmos, and these meteorites come traveling across, and, we're hit with them every day, every moment. There's not every moment, but every day we're hit with meteorites that are coming in, and most of them get burned out by our atmosphere. And so our atmosphere keeps a lot of the meteorites from actually touching and hitting Earth, and it's like this shield that we have around our planet. However, some of them hit. And so when you think about the moon, you think about all the craters in the moon. It's because the moon doesn't have the same atmosphere protection layer as Earth on it. So a lot of all of those little indent craters that you see are just being bolted with meteorites all the time. Now, since these are a little bit rarer for it to not be burnt off by the time it hits Earth and to collide, the metal that is in these meteorites often are very different metals than even some of the ones found in Earth. So some of them can exist of some of our periodic table of elements and some of the metals and things in that, but sometimes they might even have things that aren't. So each meteorite can be a little bit different and special and unique because they come from different areas. They're a different planet that starts, or a different collision, so there's so much to them. But if you really want to get a piece of outer space, it's than getting a meteorite. And so because it's pretty much a piece of metal, they can cut it and make it look prettier. Sometimes you can see it and it's just like a blob of molted things that they chip it off. A lot of meteorites get brought into, different governments for testing on the metals and stuff. So again, it makes it a little bit less common that they're out in circulation for people to buy. But again, you can find them. You enjoying this so far? Did you forget to subscribe? Make sure to do so. It takes 2 seconds. Just press that little button, the red one. You know the one. Just press it, little like. All right, enjoy the rest of this content. The price of them are going to be a little bit more expensive. You're going to go up a little bit more than even moldavite just because they're rarer. A lot of the meteorites, as I said, are taken for testing and research, and most of them, the amount and the mass that ends up is so small that it's a lot less of circulation of the material. The impact of the earth matter from the meteorite hitting is going to be that much greater because it's affecting in that whole radius around it. But the amount of meteorite could be like this little guy, and that's all it is. So think about that. What I find that it does is it helps you communicate. If anybody's interested in ETs, light language, communicating with, extraterrestrials and stuff like that, that's where you grab the meteorite. It's that connection to other planes, other regions in the universe and the cosmos. When I started wearing the meteorite, I think it was the first time ever that I started channeling light language. So a little bit different. A moldavite and tektites really aligning you with your soul's path. Meteorites really connecting you to other dimensions and other beings. If you like this content, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment below. And we also have amazing link right there for some cool products. I know you want to check it out. I know you want to click it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. You can do it. All right. Until next time, have a beautiful, blessed day.